Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion using ClickUp's native App Center. This method is super easy and doesn't require Zapier or any third-party tools, so you can keep your tasks and projects in sync effortlessly. First, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select App Center. This is where ClickUp lets you connect with other apps, including Notion, to create a smooth workflow. Next, in the App Center, use the search bar to type Notion. When it shows up, click on the integration. You'll be asked to connect your Notion account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to log in and authorize ClickUp to access your workspace. Don't worry, it's secure and only gives ClickUp the permissions it needs to sync tasks. Once your Notion account is connected, you can choose the specific page or database where you want your ClickUp tasks to appear. You can set it up so new tasks in ClickUp automatically show up in Notion or even sync updates in real time. This is perfect for keeping your projects organized and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Now you can also customize your workflow. Map important fields from ClickUp like task name, due date, priority, and assignee to the corresponding fields in Notion. This way, your Notion workspace will reflect exactly what's happening in ClickUp without having to manually copy anything. Finally, let's test it. Create a new task in ClickUp and you'll see it appear in Notion almost instantly. That's it. From now on, you can manage tasks in either app and they'll stay fully synced, saving you a ton of time. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate ClickUp with Notion using the App Center. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a productivity tip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tutorials. Happy organizing!